Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today what we're going to be talking about is I set up a green screen. So super excited. I want to see what I can do with it and the different things that I can do with it. The paint that I ended up using on this was the Bear. It's called Green Acres and you can pick it up at Home Depot. Just ask them for Green Acres by Bear and it turns out to be a really awesome green screen. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing that you guys are going to need for this job is you're going to need some paint rollers, you're going to need some masking tape so you can get those fine lines, and you're also going to want obviously the paint. The paint is obviously a really good portion to paint your green screen. And then make sure that you grab a ruler or something to stir up your paint and then get to painting. Say this took two to three coats to get it solid, and so yeah, it turned out pretty well as you can see. So the next portion that we're going to get into is the things you can do with a green screen. So as you can see me standing back here, I mean I can go different places with a green screen. Like I can end up putting a picture of Paris behind me. I can end up putting up Carol Baskin if I wanted to. I could end up holding Shiloh LaBeouf if I wanted to. There's so much stuff that you can end up doing with the green screen that it is so worth it and so much fun if you're getting into YouTube or any type of videography. The video editing software that I use is DaVinci Resolve. It's a free software. It doesn't require you to pay for it, anything like that. And it makes it super easy to be able to take out the green screen and add in whatever you want. So another cool thing that you can do is you can act like that you're running through a city. So I could take off, and then I can come back in a new city. So pretty exciting stuff. So now we're going to talk about is how expensive was it. So the Bear paint alone costed me, I'd say probably about 40 bucks for the paint. It cost me about $15 for the roller kit, and it came with a paintbrush, it came with 2 rollers, it came with the pan, and yeah, I'd say fairly inexpensive. I mean, the tape was $7, so after everything cost me $50.40. So with my green screen, I also need to build me a little stage as well, and so I can also add in green screens of me like walking across like high buildings and stuff, just to make my videos more exciting. Or the nice part about this green screen is I can also put myself at the track. So hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe. I've got plenty of more videos coming out, and I'm going to end up doing a review on how this green screen ended up working. And so yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe and stay tuned.